Hi, my name is Raul of GodCureMe.com. I've been getting a lot of emails from people asking me, what do I eat for breakfast, lunch, and dinner? And I know I always say, hey, get my food list. It's in the description. The link is in the description box below. I know I always say that, but I never show people how I actually cook it. So this is one of a 5-part series of what I eat for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and I'll be doing smoothies and juices, and also desserts that I'll be cooking myself. So if you haven't got my food list yet, the link is in the description box below. Go to my website and sign up for it. So let's get started. Healthy breakfast idea number 1. Quinoa fruit salad. Ingredients you'll need: half cup of quinoa, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, blackberries, and agave. First, let's rinse your quinoa under running water to clean them. Now boil 1 cup of water and add a teaspoon of agave for sweetener, which is optional. Stir it in good. Now add half a cup of quinoa to the boiling water, leaving the lid slightly tilted to allow the steam to escape for approximately 8 minutes. Now stir the quinoa and let it sit for approximately 4 minutes. You can add water to it if you need it a little bit more moist if it's too dry. Now add the quinoa to a bowl. Add your strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries. And there you have it, a healthy breakfast known as quinoa fruit salad. Bon appetit! Breakfast idea number 2, vegan French toast. Ingredients you'll need: 1 to 3 slices of spelt bread, half cup of Garbanzo bean flour, 1/4 cup of hemp milk, Dr Sebi Approved nut milk, 1/4 cup of spring water, 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt, 1/4 cup of agave, and grapeseed oil. If you don't have or can't find Garbanzo bean flour, you can make it yourself. Just take a cup of garbanzo beans and blend them in a high-speed blender for approximately 4 minutes or until it turns into fine flour. If you can't find hemp milk, you can also make it yourself. Just pour 2 tablespoons of hemp seeds in a 1/4 cup of spring water and blend it on high for approximately 2 minutes. Now add the garbanzo bean flour to a bowl, then half of the hemp milk. Now add 1/4 cup of spring water, then add 1/4 cup of agave, then 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt, and mix them all together thoroughly. Now pour half the mixture in a flat bowl, then add the spelt bread. Now pour the rest of the mixture on top of the bread and let it sit for at least 5 minutes for it to soak into the bread. You may have to flip them several times to get them to soak good. Heat your pan on medium-high and add grapeseed oil. Now add the French toast. Cook on each side approximately 3 minutes or until lightly browned on each side. And there you have it, vegan French toast. Add agave to taste, and bon appetit. Healthy breakfast idea number 3, Spelt blueberry pancakes. Ingredients you'll need: 1 cup of spelt flour, half cup of hemp milk or any other Dr Sebi approved nut milk, 1 tablespoon hemp seeds, 1/4 cup of blueberries, 1/4 cup melted coconut oil, 1/4 cup agave, and grapeseed oil. Add to a bowl 1 cup of spelt flour, tablespoon of hemp seeds, and 1/4 cup of blueberries. You can mash the blueberries and mix them if you like, because it's easier to cook that way, but I like my blueberries whole. Now add 1/4 cup of melted coconut oil and 1/4 cup of agave. I'll add the hemp milk last because it's cold, so it won't harden the coconut oil to prevent lumps. Now mix everything together. Now add your hemp milk to the thickness you want. Preheat your pan on medium-high and add grapeseed oil. Now pour your mixture in and cook each side approximately 3 to 4 minutes or till slightly crispy. And there you have it. Add agave to taste. Spelt blueberry pancakes. Bon appetit. Healthy breakfast idea number 4. Vegan omelet. Ingredients you'll need: garbanzo bean flour, spring water, basil, onion powder, sea salt, oregano, cayenne powder, plum tomatoes, onions, green pepper, mushrooms, and grapeseed oil. Add to a bowl 1/4 cup garbanzo bean flour, 1/4 teaspoon of basil, 1/4 teaspoon onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt, 1/4 teaspoon of oregano, 1/4 teaspoon cayenne powder. Add 1/3 cup of spring water and mix thoroughly until you get a semi-runny batter. Now preheat your pan on medium-high and add grapeseed oil. Now add your green peppers, red onions, grape tomatoes, and diced mushrooms. Saute for about 3 minutes and add your batter on top of your ingredients. If the batter is too thick, just add a little more water to make it run out of the pan smooth. If you follow my 21 Steps to Healing on my website, link in the description box below, you know I don't use non-stick pans because they release chemicals into your food. I use stainless steel or cast iron, so it may stick to the pan, keeping you from being able to flip the entire omelet at one time. So I just cut it in half and turn each side separately. It doesn't have to be pretty, it just has to be healthy and taste good. Cook each side for approximately 2 to 3 minutes. And there you have it, a healthy vegan omelet. Bon appetit! And there you have it. So next week I'll have 4 healthy lunch ideas that I eat on the regular. You can check in the description box below for the link to that video. Once again, my name is Raul. Thanks for watching.